All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. Our prayer has been that the good Lord will continue to support you all in all your endeavors as you keep supporting this channel. We say a very big amen to that. Well, my people, this is another one reaching us on our table. This is serious. Well, onto this matter, Adeyinka grandson matter. That is what we are talking about. And then I just listened to the audio where he said a lot of things. I was so shocked that he will still continue to utter such words. All right, my people, this is another serious one. With the news reaching us right now, Adeyinka grandson cries out of prison. In fact, he cries out of UK prison that he should be released, that he is dying. My brother, my sister, no be small something. No. Well, for the people, for those who actually understand what Adeyinka grandson had been into, for those who actually know had been following why Adeyinka grandson had been detained in UK prison, then you will understand that this guy deserves to remain there. And then right now he is crying that his fingers are rotting. His fingers are rotting in cell. That in fact the UK government had abandoned him and they just want him to die. They don't want to kill him, but they want him to be dying gradually. You can imagine all sorts of things that are happening. Then some set of people might not know this Adeyinka grandson. Well, this Adeyinka grandson is an agitator. It's a very strong agitator who had been agitating for Bola Ahmed Tinubu to become the next president. And then he said a lot of bad things. He declared a lot of the dangerous words against the people of Yoruba land. And then according to what he said, in fact, one of the things he said was, if Bola Ahmed Tinubu does not win as the president of Nigeria, that he is going to destroy Lagos. You can imagine that he is going to destroy Lagos, that a lot of people will be killed by himself and his army. He said all these things, and he never knew some set of people who are smarter than him are recording everything he said. And then all these atrocities he had requested for, let me use it in that manner, all those things he has said against the Yoruba people, all the declaration of killing the Yoruba people that he has said, some set of people recorded it and they sent them to the UK government, and then he was arrested. He was in the UK at the time, and then at that time, and then he was picked. And then this set of people, the Lagosians who are in UK, actually did this, that look at what this young man is saying against also, that if Bola Ahmed Tinubu does not win the election, that a lot of people will go down, that in fact the port in Lagos State will be destroyed, and that a lot of people will go down. In fact, he even said it to the extent that if Bola Ahmed Tinubu does not does not win as the president, that all Igbos will be killed. And then before then, he had been of the opinion that Igbos should go back to their land or they face the consequences, that Igbo should leave Lagos alone. And even with the information we have gathered, it has been gathered that this man that has been blabbing is not even a Lagosian, that is from Edo State. So to our greater surprise, we are surprised that why is it that somebody from Edo State would have be claiming that he is from Lagos, to the extent he's threatening a lot of people of death if Bola Ahmed Tinubu does not win the election. And at this time around, he had overstayed. He had been arrested in the UK government. You cannot compare their system to the system of Africa, to the system of Nigeria. And then this set of people, according to him, said they have abandoned him to die, that as he speaks right now, he might die at any time if he is not rescued. And then he said a lot of things, and then he said, as far as the Oduduwa Nation movement is concerned, the Oduduwa Nation people are just deceiving themselves, that they don't even need to be talking about leaving the nation for now, since our own according to what he has said, since Tinubu is our own, they should all gather themselves together and vote for Tinubu. Let Tinubu become the president. At least let him represent the Yoruba land so that peace will reign. And then at the end of the day, that after 8 years, according to what he said, once is 2031, then we will now know talk about getting Yoruba nation, because definitely as soon as Bola Ahmed, according to him, he says as soon as Bola Ahmed Tinubu gets to that post as a president, that he is going to create what we call regional government. Then after that regional government, every Yoruba people will now be able to come together that, oh, we want to go our separate ways. Then they will be allowed. My brother, my sister, majority of people have actually reacted to what he has said so far. But one thing for sure is that is majority, some side of people have been like, it's like this man is not updated. Oh. He does not know that these people have no Yoruba nation have been actualized already. Maybe he does not know, he needs someone to tell him what is going on. Okay, well, my people, I think this is a very great opportunity for the Yoruba nation agitator. All right, and then as it stands right now, this man has said that everybody should try and vote for Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is the only one that can make the life of the people change for better. And then no majority of people actually reacted onto this one, that waiting this guy, they talk about. Okay, and then according to George Ojo, he said, well, I don't think this man is up to date. We are not going to any war by the grace of God. Do you think these people are fools? We have alternative to referendum. The required number is achieved. Well, and then I think George had actually made him understand that in case you don't know, the United Nations, the government of the international community, let's call all of them, these set of people have given the Yoruba people an order that if they can fulfill that, why not? And the order had been that go and get 5 million people to sign the petition that you people want to leave the country, that you want to be on your own. And at the end of the day, no majority of these enemies, the enemies of the Yorubas, they never believed that these sort of people could get that number within a blink of an eye. And as we speak with you right now, 5 million plus is completed, and then more than 100 countries are aware that Yoruba nation had been actualized, that Yoruba nation agitators have made it, and it's just remaining for them to declare Yoruba nation. Simple as that. Well, it has been said that it's like he is not aware, and then what is he even talking about? That the Yorubas should wait till 2031 to get the actualization. Say this man na biggest fulele. All right, according to Taiwo Babatunde Olufemi, say, well, don't call it Yoruba nation, it is Odua nation. Yoruba is the name given by northerners, we reject it. Okay, all right, so I think that's another one that had been said to our understanding, that don't call it, according to Taiwo Babatunde Olufemi, that's his name, he said, don't call it Yoruba nation, it is Odua nation. All right, my people, and then this is another one. Well, Tinubu did not make up as you described Imo, you cannot speak for him. The system permits politicians to say what they desire to do. Yoruba nation, period. All right, this one has been said by Tayo Lamotos. Okay, well, according to Olufemi Otese, well, Adeyinka grandson is myopic. Who guarantees you Tinubu can give you referendum? Yoruba nation is achieved without Tinubu. Well, that's another one that have been said. Well, Adeyinka grandson, thank you for your advice. Let me tell you, Yoruba nation is achieved without your Tinubu political father. We don't need Tinubu for anything again. Beg Tinubu to come to UK and free you from UK prison, or else you are on your own. All right, this one has been said by Taiwo Akambi Daramola. All right, according to Babatunde Ayina, he said, well, Adeyinka grandson, God punish you and your Tinubu, ikú ló máa pa ẹ̀yin méjèèjì lágbára Ọlọ́run. Alright, my people, people dey vex. Well, I think the people just know what they are talking about. Well, Oduduwa Nation no go him back, and then exactly what the people are still talking about. Nothing can change the mind of the people, not even now that they have no achieved the Oduduwa Nation. So what else are we talking about, my people? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.